Hey guys, this is Scott with Freedom Wash Supply here in Cypress, Texas. This is our 6-foot skid for Fernando, Lone Star Patriot Solutions. It's going to go in the back of his F-250. So we have a Cedar Creek skid, all aluminum. We've got a toolbox here with the battery, deep cycle 12-volt battery in here with his. Go ahead and he's got a DN10 ball valve, his tips, some extra soap, and all of his manuals and stuff. But it's got a charge port here on the side. Plug in an extension cord. And you get it charged up. It's got a Nordco charger under there. Quick charge it. And then we also have, of course, a soap tank that goes in the soft wash system. But here's our 8-gallon a minute pressure washer. It is not a high flow systems build. They sent us a tank. We needed to get this out as soon as possible. So this is their skid, but everything else we put on there. It's got a general pump 8-gallon a minute, 3,500 psi with a Honda 690. And then we have a 16-gallon aluminum fuel tank. We added the shelf in so we can have space for the third hose reel. We measured and should be able to fit. If you wanted to put a 5-gallon a minute pressure washer or a P40 in the future, you can fit an extra piece of equipment here, especially if you go to an electric hose reel for the water hose here on the back. When we have, of course, this comes with a ladder rack up top. This is all 1/4-inch aluminum, so it's super thick, durable. We've seen great results with other customers running these skids, and it also comes with a 20-inch surface cleaner rack. This is a BE 20-inch surface cleaner, and it's also got a drain hose for the water tanks. And then so this is a 3/4 manifold, 12-inch wide hose reel. This is our hose reel. All aluminum, all stainless internals. It's got greasable bearings. It's one of very few on the market that have greasable bearings. It comes with the swivel. And so you can see it says water on it. All of our hose reels, if you step around the sides, we have different size plates for all the different hose reels, and they say water, pressure, and that one says soft wash over here. And so the nice thing about it is you can it's easy for training people. You can tell somebody that's helping you, hey, go grab the pressure hose. Kind of hard to miss that that's the pressure hose. Well, that's 200 feet of KobraJet pressure hose, and with our manifold, it's a clear acrylic block, all 3/4, and it goes to a 7-gallon a minute, 100 psi SmoothFlo Remco pump back here. On-off switch, and then this is a 18-inch hose reel, all aluminum, all stainless, with a Suttner ST510 gun. And in the tanks we have 100-gallon bleach tank, and then 2 100-gallon water tanks. You can see them Siamese together down here. And then on the inside, I don't know if you can get a shot down in here, but this hose runs all the way down to the bottom to a PVC filter. So as long as you keep 3 or 4 inches of bleach or water, whichever one you're pulling from at the time, as long as you keep 3 or 4 inches of water, you should never lose suction, unless you cut a hose or the fitting on the manifold is loose. So it's really fast and easy to troubleshoot in the field. Eventually, everything's gonna have a time where something fails, and we try to make it to where it's easy to check and troubleshoot and find those problems as soon as possible out in the field. Yeah, the 6-foot skid from Freedom Wash Supply, and it's going to a great home. It should definitely do the job.